remember that our collective efforts are what makes Rosales shine bright. Tonight, we honor all of you for your incredible progress we have made together. Ladies and gentlemen, before we head into the main part of our program, it is my honor to introduce someone who has tirelessly worked for the betterment of our town. His dedication and benevolence have been the guiding light of many of the positive change we see around us. Please join me in welcoming our dedicated and benevolent Mayor, the Honorable William S. Cesar.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Handa na ba kayo sa ating fireworks display? Mahina. Handa na ba kayo? Bago ang lahat, batiin ko lang yung mga kasama kong opisyal na nandito, si Councilor Alvin Binse, palakpakan natin, si Councilor Emwel Mone, nandito rin. Nandito rin si Atty. Annabel Cruz, Councilor Coswe, Councilor Christopher Coloma, siyempre si Vice Mayor Susan Pagados, si Councilor Edita Quiambao, Councilor Harry Bernabe, Councilor Lito Carino, si ABC President Ambot Coloma, at saka si SK President Rosamira Ganotise. So, pasalamatan din natin ang sponsor ng ating fireworks display ngayong gabi. Palakpakan po natin ang SM City Rosales. Ibig saan nyo magpalakpak yan? Ano mang nagkamalan mo December? Thank you, Sir Renat, sa management po ng Shumart. Maraming salamat.